what's up guys, it's Rumis here, and today we will be making a video on how to shoot a b-roll on motorcycle. And magsisimula tayo from a beginner to pro kung ano ang kaibahan nila when it comes to shooting a b-roll. And also guys, I will be giving you tips and tricks on how to do it correctly. So let's go. So for today's video, I will be setting myself as an example kung paano ako mag-shoot ng video noon at kung paano ako mag-shoot ng video ngayon. At konting disclaimer lang po, I am not a pro filmmaker by any means. So itong mga i-share ko sa inyo is mga natutunan ko lang sa panonood ng YouTube at syempre sa pag-research. So nung first time ko palang gumawa ng video or gumawa ng b-roll is wala talaga akong ka-ideya kung ano ang dapat gawin. So ang ginawa ko is nagsushoot lang ako sa paraang gusto ko. Siya nga pala guys, itong video na shoot natin is i-edit natin siya mamaya at the end of the video. When shooting a video, what a pro would do is to plan ahead of time. Kasi nga, yung sabi nila, magplano para sigurado. So unang-una, ang gagawin mo is to shot or to make an establishing shot. So ano ba yung establishing shot? So itong establishing shot mo is para malaman ng viewers mo kung saan ka banda nagsushoot ng iyong video. So katulad din sa akin, nagsushoot ako ng video dito sa likod ng bahay namin. So ang gagawin kong establishing shot is yung nasa paligid ko. After the establishing shot, we will going to shoot a medium shot. So, hindi siya wide angle shot. At the same time, hindi rin siya close-up shot. So, that is a medium angle shot. By the way guys, if you're enjoying this video, a sub to my channel is gonna be epic. Ang last natin gagawin is to take or to shoot a detailed shot or close-up shot. By the way guys, if you like the video, please subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.